Have you ever wondered how you can earn money online? Welcome to a world where the traditional 9-to-5 routine is gradually becoming a thing of the past. In this digital age, multiple income streams are no longer a luxury but a necessity. Today we're going to explore this exciting realm, detailing a list that could potentially transform your financial future. From freelancing to blogging, we'll delve into the top 5 methods that digital pioneers are using to generate income online. So, stay tuned to discover the top 5 ways to earn money online. Scene script. Number 1 on our list is freelancing. What is freelancing, you ask? Well, it's a way of working that's becoming increasingly popular in our digital age. Freelancing is when you work as an independent contractor, offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. You're not employed by a company, but rather, you're your own boss. In recent years, we've seen what's been dubbed the gig economy skyrocket. With technology at our fingertips, more and more people are breaking free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Instead, they're choosing a work life that offers flexibility and control. As a freelancer, you can work when you want, where you want, and with whom you want. The potential income in freelancing can be quite substantial depending on your skill set and how much time you're willing to dedicate. Some freelancers even report earning more than they did in their previous full-time jobs. This is because you get to set your own rates and take on as many clients as you can handle. There are numerous freelancing platforms out there that connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. A couple of the most popular ones are Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms provide a wide array of job categories, from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing. They serve as a digital marketplace where you can showcase your portfolio, bid on projects, and build a client base. But remember, just like any other business venture, freelancing comes with its own set of challenges. It requires discipline, time management, and a consistent effort to find and maintain clients. It's not always a walk in the park, but the rewards can certainly outweigh the hurdles for those who are up for the challenge. In a nutshell, if you have a skill that's in demand and you're looking for a flexible work arrangement, freelancing could be the perfect fit for you. It's an opportunity to take control of your career, to dictate your own terms, and to potentially earn a substantial income. Freelancing can be a profitable venture if you have a skill that's in demand. The second way to earn money online is by selling online courses. In the current digital age, e-learning has seen an unprecedented boom. With the world at our fingertips, our hunger for knowledge has amplified and the internet has become a vast sea of resources to quench this thirst. This surge in online learning has opened up a new avenue for individuals to monetize their expertise. Let's say you're a whiz at Photoshop, or you have a knack for teaching algebra, or maybe you're a fitness enthusiast who's cracked the code to the perfect workout routine. Whatever your skill, there's likely someone out there willing to pay to learn it. Now, how do you turn this expertise into a source of income? The answer is simple. Create and sell online courses. Platforms such as Udemy or Coursera have made this process incredibly straightforward. They provide you with the tools to design, host, and distribute your course to a global audience. You create the content, they provide the platform, and you both share the revenue. As a course creator, you have control over the pricing, course material, and the pace at which the course is delivered, making it a flexible and customizable business model. Couple that with the fact that once your course is created, it can be sold an infinite number of times with no additional work on your part. It's a model that scales beautifully. Online courses are not just about making money though. They're about sharing knowledge, about empowering others with skills that can transform their lives. It's a rewarding endeavor that transcends monetary benefits. However, it's important to remember that the success of your course hinges on the quality of your content and your ability to market it effectively. It's not just about having knowledge, it's about being able to communicate that knowledge in an engaging and accessible way. So, dust off those skills, fire up your laptop, and start turning your expertise into a source of income. Remember, it's not just about making money, but also sharing your passion with the world. If you're an expert in a field, why not share your knowledge and earn from it? Third on our list is starting an e-commerce business. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the colossal wave that is e-commerce. In the last decade, e-commerce has exploded into a global phenomenon. As traditional brick-and-mortar stores grapple with the changes brought about by technology, e-commerce continues to surge forward, unabated. Let's break it down. E-commerce or electronic commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet. It's pretty much like running a traditional business, but with the added advantage of digital reach. You can sell your products not just locally but globally, without the need for a physical storefront. Setting up an online store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon have made it possible for almost anyone to start their own e-commerce venture. With Shopify, for instance, you can set up your own store, choose a design, add products, and start selling in no time. Amazon, on the other hand, allows you to leverage its massive customer base by selling your products directly on their platform. The potential profitability of an e-commerce business is truly remarkable. The global e-commerce market is projected to reach a staggering $4 trillion by the end of this year. Imagine having a slice of that pie, but it's not all roses and rainbows. Like any business venture, e-commerce requires effort, dedication, and a smart strategy. You need to find the right product, the right market, and the right price. It may seem daunting, but with the right approach, you can make it work. Remember, the key is to identify a niche that is profitable but not overly saturated. Maybe it's selling handmade soap, vintage clothing, or even rare books. The possibilities are endless. E-commerce can be a goldmine if you hit the right niche. So, are you ready to ride the e-commerce wave? The fourth way to earn money online is through affiliate marketing. Let's dive right in. What exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a process where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale that comes through your referral. Think of it as being a middleman, but without the hassle of owning the merchandise or handling customer service. Here's how it works. You find a product you like or believe in, you promote it to others, and you earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. The beauty of it is that it's entirely passive. Once you've set up your affiliate links, they can generate income while you're off doing other things. Yes, you heard it right. You can literally make money while you sleep. Now you might be wondering, where do you find these products to promote? That's where affiliate marketing platforms come in. These are websites that act as a bridge between companies looking for promoters and people like you ready to promote. Some popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms host a wide variety of products, so you're likely to find something that fits your niche. But remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is trust. Your audience needs to trust that you're recommending products because you genuinely believe in them, not just because you're hoping to make a quick buck. So, always choose products that you've used and benefited from, or that you've thoroughly researched and believe will benefit your audience. Moreover, successful affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and strategic planning. You'll need to build a platform, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account, where you can reach your target audience. You'll also need to understand your audience's needs and preferences to recommend products they'll find valuable. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money while you sleep. So why not give it a shot? With some time and effort, you can turn it into a lucrative income stream that fits perfectly into your digital lifestyle. The fifth and final way to earn money online is through blogging and ad revenue. Dive into the world of blogging, where thoughts, ideas, and experiences transform into engaging content. Blogging is a platform that allows you to share your expertise, opinions, or even day-to-day life with a global audience. But it's not just about sharing, it's also about earning. Here's how it works. As your blog garners attention and your readership grows, you open doors to various income streams. One of the most common is ad revenue. Companies pay to display their ads on popular blogs, and every click or view from your readers translates into earnings. Another way to monetize your blog is through sponsored posts. Brands may approach you to write about their products or services, and they'll pay you for that exposure. It's a win-win situation. You get paid, and they get visibility. Then there are partnerships. You might collaborate with other bloggers or companies to create unique content, host events, or launch products. These collaborations often come with financial benefits. The potential income from blogging can be substantial. Some bloggers are earning a full-time income and others are even making six figures. But remember, it takes time, dedication, and a genuine connection with your audience. And with that, we wrap up our top 5 ways to earn money online. Blogging can turn your passion into profit. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to earn money online. We've explored the freelance revolution, delved into monetizing knowledge, ridden the e-commerce wave, dabbled in affiliate marketing, and explored the potential of blogging and ad revenue. These are all excellent avenues to consider. The key is to start somewhere, take action, and remember that every successful venture began as a simple idea. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start earning online today.